Hey everyone, let's talk about something really cool. The sound of the sun. Now, we usually think of the sun as this quiet, fiery ball in the sky, but it's actually more like a roaring furnace. It sends out huge pressure waves, kind of like invisible tsunamis, rippling through space. These waves are massive, stretching hundreds of miles, and they create a deep, booming sound. The catch? It's way too low for our human ears to pick up. But here's where it gets exciting. Imagine a future where we've evolved into cyborgs with special auditory implants. Tech that boosts our hearing beyond normal limits. With those, we could actually listen to the sun's cosmic symphony. Tuning into these hidden sounds might reveal amazing secrets about the universe, giving us a whole new way to understand the wonders out there.